Hi, this is Ross from ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're starting this two-car garage with baseboards in Wesley Chapel. So they had a previous floor put in here and it didn't meet their expectations. So they asked us to come on out and redo it. You can see there's really, this was hand ground and stuff, and I'm not disparaging anybody's work. They tried to do their best, but the floor basically failed shortly after putting it in. So we're really gonna have to give this a really good grind, a deep grind, so to speak. We're gonna have to remove a lot of material because you're gonna have to pick up all these valleys. So, excuse me, we basically are going to have to remove this whole cap and then get it back to where we can apply our epoxy. We're going to do Raven in this garage, which is a really nice dark color, and as you can see, we're definitely into the dark colors here. I've actually never seen this in a garage before. Pretty cool. But anyway, we're going to get started. I'm going to start doing the trim, and then Lauren's going to get here and she's going to run the big floor grinder. And then we're going to get this floor in today and finish it up tomorrow. Okay, our grind, prep, and repairs are done. We're all prepared to drop the floor now. You can see Lauren, she's working on the verticals. I'm going to help her in just a sec. We have repairs done to the floor. We filled the control joints. That's going to give us a seamless surface. We've completely removed the previous coatings, got the floor flat, cut it all the way back down to the cap. You can see how good that looks now. This is what our profile looks like. This is a really good profile for epoxy application. Did some repairs along this baseboard as well. There was a bunch of voids in here, some rough spots that were repaired. This color is going to be Raven, which is a really dark color. It's definitely going to go with this garage as a whole. It's going to look great. So our two-car with baseboards is done. We just finished putting on the polyaspartic coating. Job looks awesome. The polyaspartic coating is UV stable, very durable, scratch resistant. So we had removed the previous coating from the floor, and we really had to cut the cap off a lot to really got down to the aggregate, like we usually do, but in this case, there was a lot of pickups that we had to make. Job looks great. This color is Raven, a very dark color. See, it's appropriate for this particular garage. I'll just show the color in the light and out of the light. This is Raven. Looks terrific once it's top coated. It's a pretty dramatic color, I think. Some more details. I want to thank James the painter for a referral. I really appreciate it. Introduced some really nice people here at this job. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
Pro Tech Epoxy Floors, Newport, Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. Pro Tech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough, and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.